Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Sunday Racing, June 15, 2025. At Happy Family Day po sa inyong lahat. Muli meron tayong 7 karera at lahat ng karera may distansyang 1,400 meter. Starting time ng karera, alas 3 ng hapon. Race number 1. Umpisa ng winner take all, races 1 to 7. Isa itong non-winner, 3-year-old and above, maiden race, placers. First and only choice, number 6, Petit Pousse. Race 2, pick 6, races 2 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Dreams of the World. Second choice, number 3, Distant Thunder. Third choice, number 7, Crown Prince. Tumako tayo ngayon sa race 3. Pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Dito po sa race 3, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Hey Joe Joe. For the first win, Nya. Second choice, number 6, Bride 3. Ngayon sa race number 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Central Luzon. Second choice, number 1, Big Battle. Third choice, number 4, Club Habana. Race 5, ang ating pong cool first choice sa race 5, number 6, Rahabago. JM Storke riding. Second choice, number 9, Flying Eagle. Skipper by Ed G. Kiera. Third choice, number 4, Rise Up. MD De Jesus on top. Tumako tayo ngayon sa race 6. Penultimate race at race na may pentapekta. Dito sa race 6, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 7, Danish Sun. Second choice, number 8, 14 de Octubre. Tayo sa last race 7, race na may Super 6 at paratingan. First choice, number 9, Anyo 96. Second choice, number 2, Bohemian. Third choice, magandang panalo last time out, number 3, Super Spunky. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalapit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana sumama tayo. Thank you!